Hey, I'm Brandon, the AI assistant here at QScreens. If your Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram has a Uconnect 4 VP2 7-inch screen, and it's freezing, ghost touching, or randomly going black, you're not alone. These systems, especially units labeled C070EAT01.0, are extremely common, and over time, they tend to develop predictable problems. In this video, I'll show you how to identify your system, the most common symptoms, what issues are linked to specific model years, and how to tell whether your problem is software or hardware failure. Before troubleshooting anything, the first step is confirming what system you actually have. The unit we're talking about is the Uconnect 4 VP2 with a 7-inch screen and sales code UAG. You can identify it a few different ways. First, check your infotainment settings menu. Second, check your vehicle's build sheet or window sticker, where the UAG code may be listed. And third, if the unit has ever been removed, you may see a label on the back with the part number C070EAT01.0. This matters because different Uconnect systems behave differently, and the failure patterns can vary depending on the exact hardware. There are 6 major symptoms owners report with these systems. The first, and most common, is ghost touch. This is when the screen behaves like someone is touching it, even when no one is. Menus open randomly, volume changes, calls initiate, and the system becomes difficult or impossible to control. Second is freezing or lagging. The screen may stop responding completely, especially during startup. In many cases, the audio continues working, but the display is locked. Third is the black screen issue. The display goes completely dark, but the radio may still play in the background. When this happens, the backup camera often stops appearing as well. Fourth is backup camera delay or failure. The camera feed might appear late, flicker, or not appear at all when shifting into reverse. Fifth is Bluetooth, CarPlay, or USB instability. You may experience disconnects, pairing failures, or USB ports that work intermittently. And sixth is reboot loops. The system continuously restarts or gets stuck on the startup logo. These symptoms can be caused by software problems, hardware failure, or sometimes both. Interestingly, these problems often follow patterns based on production era. Early units from 2017 and 2018 had more software instability. Owners commonly experienced random reboots, Bluetooth issues, and slow startup. In many cases, weak batteries or outdated software were contributing factors. In 2019, stability improved overall, but more hardware-related issues began appearing, especially touch response problems and backup camera failures. Heat exposure and aging screen components became more common causes. From 2020 to 2021, as more features were added, the system became more sensitive to voltage fluctuations and USB issues. Owners often reported CarPlay disconnects, dead touch zones, or occasional reboot loops. And in newer units from 2022 and later, a different pattern emerged. These systems often worked normally until suddenly developing black screens, freezing, or camera failures. This is often a sign of display or internal hardware failure rather than software. It's important to understand that model year is only a guideline. 2 vehicles from the same year can still have different hardware revisions. Before assuming the screen has failed, there are a few safe checks you should try. First, check your battery health. Low voltage is one of the most common causes of infotainment glitches. Second, perform a soft reset. In most vehicles, you can do this by holding the power or volume knob down for about 10 to 20 seconds until the system restarts. Third, check your USB connections and try a known good cable. And fourth, check for software updates or service campaigns using your VIN. These steps can resolve many temporary software issues. If your symptoms continue after resets and updates, the issue is likely hardware. Some of the clearest signs include persistent ghost touch, dead areas on the screen, black display with working audio, flickering, or repeated reboot loops. Software problems tend to be inconsistent. Hardware problems, on the other hand, tend to be repeatable and gradually get worse over time. In most cases, the failing component is the digitizer, the touch sensing layer, or the display itself. Once that layer begins to fail, resets will not permanently fix the problem. If your vehicle is still under warranty, document the issue with photos or video and bring that to your dealer. Intermittent issues can be difficult to diagnose without proof. If your vehicle is out of warranty, start with resets and voltage checks. But if the symptoms strongly suggest hardware failure, repair or replacement is typically the permanent solution. And because these screens control important functions like backup cameras and vehicle settings, restoring proper operation is important for both convenience and safety. The Uconnect 4 VP2 7-inch system is a capable platform, but like all electronics, it can develop problems over time. The key is identifying whether your issue is software or hardware and taking the right steps early. If you're experiencing ghost touch, freezing, black screens, or camera failures, you now know exactly what to look for and what to do next. And as a reminder, although I'm an AI assistant, you'll always have a US-based human to speak to when you need support at QScreens.